Okay guys, back with more help with fractions. We're still having a bit of trouble with these. Remember, the key to these fraction questions is to make sure you only cancel common factors. If you do that, it should be pretty straightforward. Making sure we've got factors is the biggest challenge. I'm just going to leave this first one here alone, negative 8 over 7. And I'm going to factorise this numerator, this 7r plus 14. You can see 7's a common factor there. So that is the same as writing 7 outside of r plus 2 all over 16. That just makes your life a little bit easier. I recommend, I know this is an education perfect one, but I would do these in your book. Do it in your book, practice the setting out the way you're going to need to do it in the exam. Even though it's possible to do it on Education Perfect, one, it's going to slow you down, and two, it's not practicing exactly what you're going to be doing. So whilst it's great to do your working there because I can actually look at it and give feedback on your working, for these fraction ones, one, it's too slow to enter all the fractions, and two, it's not as good practice for you. So for these ones, do the working in your book just like I'm doing here. Now, cancelling common factors. A factor in the numerator that's the same as a factor in the denominator can be cancelled. So look, 7 goes into 7 once, and 7 goes into that 7 once. Here I've got 8 on the top, 16 down the bottom. 8 goes into 8 once and into 16 twice. So what's that equal to? Negative 1 times r plus 2. It's just negative r plus 2. And on the bottom I've got 1 times 2 is 2. I would accept that as an answer. I think that's fine. Remember, it could be written this way on Education Perfect. Negative r plus 2 over 2, which is sort of negative of the whole lot. That's an equivalent fraction. You could distribute that negative and write negative r minus 2 all divided by 2. All of those are the same thing. Hope that helps. Keep the questions coming. Keep up the good work, guys. Cheers.